Alright, so it's Rookie Repairs back at again. Next car we're working on is a 2007 Mercedes-Benz E300. What we're going to do is replace the filter and change the oil. Let's go ahead and drain the oil, get underneath. First thing you want to do is jack up the car. I have two 4 jacks on the side. One on this side, one on the other side. Alright, so this will have extra cover plastic underneath. So let's go ahead and remove that in order to get access to the drain plug. Alright, let's go ahead and remove all the plastic bolts. Just holding this plastic right here. This one right here. Just gonna remove that. First one. Just gonna get the next one right here. Alright, so that's it for that side. Just gonna get this one right here. Alright, after that, just gonna get the back ones. Just gonna get the last one all the way over there. After that, should be able to remove this plastic. Alright, so the drain plug is actually on this plastic right here. So we have to remove this one. Alright, so there's a bolt holding it right here. This one, it's going to be the same size. One right here, one right there. It's going to be on the same on the other side. We have to remove that one. Alright, let's go remove this one first. So the size for this ones are 8mm. Just gotta remove it. Alright, so you're gonna have to remove the other side too. So there's one more in the back here. Let's back up. There's one right here. Just go ahead and remove that one. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the other side now. Alright, so once we remove the other side, just gotta look at the drain plug. Just right up here. The size for that drain plug is 13mm. Alright, let's go to the other side for a better angle. Alright, so there's a little small drain plug right there. Have it all ready. Alright, let's go to remove it. The size for that one is a 13mm. Gonna wipe this drain plug off. Alright, so we're just gonna have to wait for that to drain all the way. Alright, so after you let it drain, just gonna put the drain plug back in. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten the drain plug now. Just give it a little tug. That should be enough. No need to over tighten it. Once you stop, just give it a little tug. It should be good. Alright, just gonna put all the plastic back on now. Want to wipe that down. We're done. Last thing to do is add the oil. Alright, so there's 2 holders right there, that one and this one. Alright, just gonna put those back on. After that, there's this one right here. This one. There's one gonna be in the front. Right here. It's already broke. As you see, let's get the back one first. Those 2. So I got the second one right here, third one, so up here. Just gonna put that back on. Let's get this one right here. Alright, let's get the other side now. Let's get that one. This one right here. Let's get the front one. This one right here. This one right here. That one. That's it for this one. Just gonna put the front plastic, the one that was right in the front, which didn't need to be removed. Other than these two ones right here, that one and the other one. All right, so let's go and put the front plastic right here. Put that one on. Just go and get all the bolts. There's 4 in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just get the 4 ones in the back as well. There's 1, 2, 3. Last one's gonna be all the way back here. Back here somewhere. 4th, that one right there. Alright. Alright, let's go and add the oil now. Alright, after you drain the oil, let's go and replace the filter now. Let's go and pull this out. Just gonna move that plastic over. Alright, so our oil filter's right there. Just gonna remove this plastic right here. I'm gonna have better access right there. So there you have it. Let's move this little plastic right here. Move it over. Alright, let's get to our filter now. Alright, so the size for that, it's gonna be a 27. Let's go remove that sucker. It's off. Let's put up the filter. Alright, so here's the oil filter. As you can see, looks pretty bad. Let's go to remove it. Once you have the filter, it might be tight in there, so all you have to do is try to wiggle it. Just pull it up. Pull it up. This was a little bit stuck in there. No problem, we got it out. Alright, so the new filter will include a small gasket right here. This one, and this last one right here in the bottom. Alright, just gonna replace those. Remember, this little part has to go in the back. The old gaskets. Just go ahead and put it back on. Just go ahead and press it down. Do that. It's ready for reinstallment. Just go to hand tighten it. Do that, tighten it with your ratchet. Alright, so just give it a little tug. That should be enough. Don't forget your 27mm in there. Just pull it out. Just wipe everything off. Alright, just going to put this extra plastic right here. Just got to be careful. You don't want to break it. Make sure it clicks in there. So the last thing to do is add the oil. It's right there. Just gonna grab our funnel. Remove that funnel. Just go to add the oil. Alright, so in total you'll need 7.4 quarts. I only have 7, so I have to grab another one to add to the half quart. Alright, so the last thing I have to do is add the oil. So I have to go grab that real quick. Alright, so that's it for today. So I will include all the part numbers under the description. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.